Hey guys, I'm showing you this Lovus 800-watt outdoor solar street light. This is a 80,000 lumen, so it's pretty bright light with a commercial parking lot, light dusk to dawn, LED street light, solar flood security light with motion sensor for any court or driveway. So you can see it's pretty good size with a lot of solar cells on the top and then LED lights on the back. So this is a sensor, motion sensor, and this is the on and off button that you can use to put that for the sensor light. So see, like it is off in the dark, and then you come near to the sensor and it will start up. So it actually comes in the dark, so that's why I covered this from the light so it can comes up, so I can show you closely in the camera. Now the thing is that you have to fix it. So these are all things that comes in the box with a screw set, manual, and it also comes with a remote. So you can loosen this tighter, and there is a rod that comes, you can put this one, and as the remote the batteries are included, so you can just use these batteries for the remote. So this remote is very helpful if you want to operate from a side. I will show you that as well. So for now, for the remote, I'm just showing you closely with the things like on and off button, dim or 25%, 30% thing, and the other 1 hour, 2 hour thing with the remote. So now the other thing is that because this is dusk to dawn, means like it will start up on its own in the night, and then with the sensor, and it will be operated on a 25% light, and when someone came, it goes to 100%. So I fix it on the pillar here, and it is getting charged with the solar light. In the night, I'm just on the button, and you can see it is on the 30% thing, the bright light, and this is the 100%. So it's a really bright light that you can see, and I'm just trying to do a complete dark so that it's better to see. With the remote, it's easy to operate, as you can see it here, and I just set up the time with this different percentage of the brightness. See, like it's pretty handy. Like I just put the sensor on, and if you off, you can see there's like the light thing, it's really dark. This is from the distance, you can see like the brightness this light have, and it is actually brightening up the whole driveway and the sideway. So this is the 20-30% thing, and when you come closer, it goes 100%. You can see the difference in the brightness. So this is a waterproof, so no worries in the rain and anything, and it can be like outside for hours or days or months, and it can be charged like 6 to 8 hours and use. So really nice light.